Hello students, welcome back to your WhatsApp classes. In our previous classes, we discussed about articles and we had already studied about indefinite articles a and n. The same chapter is going on and now we will study about definite article the. You can see here. Now, as I already told you that the is used both before singular and plural nouns. It points out some particular person or thing. Example, now see the examples. The horse is a useful animal. Here, the is used with a single horse and it is pointing out a particular animal also. Again, in the second sentence, the horses of Arabia are famous. Here in this sentence, the is used with a plural form, that is horses. So in both the sentences, the has been used to specify a particular animal and it is used in singular as well as plural. Now there are some rules of using the. We will study one by one. Now see the first rule. The is used before a particular person or thing. As the first example, this is the horse. Pay attention here, my dear students. This is the horse which I bought yesterday. Means the is here actually pointing out a particular horse which I bought yesterday. So here the is used. Second example, this is the boy who stood first in the state. This is the boy. So again, the is actually here describing a particular boy. Now move on to the second rule. The is used before the names of rivers, oceans, islands, mountains, seasons, deserts. Now see some example. The Ganga is a sacred river. Here, Ganga is a particular river and here the is used. Okay, next example. The Andaman and Nicobar Islands are situated in the Bay of Bengal. Again, Andaman and Nicobar Islands are the names of group of islands. So we have used here the. Next example, the is used before the names of mountain ranges. It is actually another rule. The is used before the names of mountain ranges like the Himalayas, the Aravalli Hills, etc. Now there is important thing to be noticed, that is the is used with only mountain ranges, but the is not used with mountain peaks. If we want to talk about a particular name of a mountain peak, then the will not be used. You see the example. It is Mount Everest is the highest peak. So here Mount Everest is the name of a mountain peak. So we have not used here the. So always remember that the is not used with the name of mountain peaks. Now the next rule. The is used before the names of sacred books. Example, it's very easy. The Ramayana is a holy book of the Hindus. So here Ramayana is the sacred book of Hindus and the has been used. Fifth rule, the is used before the names of newspapers and magazines. See the example. The Hindu is a good newspaper to enhance your English language. Okay, so here Hindu is the name of a newspaper and subsequently the has been used. Next rule, the is used before the names of nations. Example, the English defeated the Germans. So here English and Germans are the names of the nations and communities. Seventh rule, the is used before adjectives in the superlative degree. Again, I am reading the rule. The is used before adjectives in the superlative degree. Example, Anshul is the best singer. Here, best is the superlative degree of good and the has been used. So, now move on to the next rule. The is used before adjectives used as nouns. Example, the brave are always respected. In this sentence, you can see here, brave is your adjective, but here it is used as noun. So we have used here the. Okay. Now, there are some rules where there is no need to use articles. There are some words, there are some sentences, there are some words where you are not supposed to use articles. So, omission of articles. Now, see the first rule. No article is used before proper nouns. Example, New Delhi is the capital of India. New Delhi is your proper noun. India is also a proper noun. So, we have not used any of the articles. Next example, Atal Bihari Vajpayee was a great leader. Atal Bihari Vajpayee is also your proper noun and that's why we have not used here the. Next example, my sister lives in Mumbai. Again, Mumbai is your proper noun and we have not used any article. Next rule, no article is used before the names of languages. Example, English is spoken all over the world. Name of the language, English. No article is used. Next example, Bengali is spoken in West Bengal. Bengali is the name of the language, so no article is used. The last rule is no article is used before abstract and material nouns. You can see the examples. Health is wealth. Health and wealth are your abstract nouns, so no article is used with these words. Next example, I prefer wisdom to courage. So here wisdom and courage are your abstract noun and we have not used any article. Last example, gold and silver are costly metals. Gold and silver are your material nouns. So we have not used any article at all. So this is how your chapter ends. Thank you very much.